Yeah.
For vacation.
Yeah, for vacation.
For vacations. Okay. And do you think that you want to live abroad, like for really like for working, for living?
I think no, because I like to live in Indonesia.
Oh, really? Why you
Yeah.
live? Why you? I mean, like, why you prefer to live in Indonesia more than Japan?
Um,
Kenapa?
the cost, apa ya, biaya hidup ya?
Oh, okay. The living cost is cheaper
Yeah,
in
the living. Yep.
Indonesia.
Yep.
Okay. Interesting. Okay. Thank you, Sis Vanessa.
Thank you.
Next, I think I want to talk with Sis Saftiana. Sis Saftiana?
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, sis.
Good evening. What about you?
I want to go to in Turkey, sis, because I
Turkey.
think, yeah,
Mhm.
Turkey, because I
Okay.
think I see in the YouTube and TikTok in country many people Muslim and have wait a minute culture Muslim, and
Mhm.
I think the country is beautiful.
Mhm.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
It's because wait, I
Mhm.
want to go to Turkey in
Oopsie. Where are you? Okay, I think that you are disappeared. Okay, so probably because of the connections problem. And then I will open the video, guys, for you to watch first. And after that, we will talk again. Yeah, wait. We will. This one.
For some of the most impressive islands on Earth, head to this corner of the Pacific. Welcome to Mojo Travels, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 8 reasons why Indonesia should be your next vacation destination. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Mojo Travels and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. For this list, we're looking at a variety of cool reasons you should check out this fascinating and heavily populated Asian nation. Yogyakarta, a large city on the island of Java, which is itself the most populous island in the world, Yogyakarta has been growing in popularity in recent years. A calmer, more culturally focused version of the country's capital, Jakarta, which is also on Java, it's an ideal destination for learning more about Indonesia. Paying homage to both the Hindu and Buddhist traditions, Yogyakarta is surrounded by important religious sites. You can also visit vast paddy fields and see how rice, the country's staple food, has been grown for centuries. Or stop at Kalibiru National Park to appreciate the natural beauty of the area. Back in the city itself, you'll be treated to a rich artistic environment with lots of concerts and performances. Mount Bromo, the crowning glory of the Tenggara Massif, a large volcanic region with many active volcanoes. Mount Bromo is a popular hiking spot. The climb to the peak isn't the hardest trek out there and can be completed in around 2 hours, but when you reach the top, you'll nonetheless be treated to views of the stunning volcanic vista. At only 7,600 feet, it's by no means the tallest peak around, but is Indonesia's most popular mountain by quite a substantial margin. You could spend a whole week just exploring Java's volcanic east side, though it is worth remembering the area can be unstable and eruptions are common. Diving. Indonesia is one of the countries whose waters make up part of the Coral Triangle, an enormous coral reef in Southeast Asia that's home to 2,000 different species of fish and 6 different species of sea turtles. Because of all this natural beauty, Indonesia is a must-visit for diving enthusiasts. For the best spots, you'll want to go to Raja Ampat, a cluster of gorgeous but rarely visited islands. From here, you can go swimming in the shallows or take a boat out to the open water, where you'll be able to see some of Earth's most beautiful marine life up close. Komodo dragons. The animal kingdom's largest lizards are endemic to Indonesia, and if you're interested in seeing them, a visit to their namesake island, Komodo, is well worth the trip. While you certainly shouldn't try to pet the dragons, there are lots of places where you can see them both in the wild and in captivity. Be warned though, these lizards are large meat eaters with a venomous bite, more than capable of killing a human. However, there have been talks of closing the island to tourists for a year or so in order to help the lizard population grow and thwart smuggling. So if you're desperate to see real-life dragons, you'll want to confirm the island is welcoming tourists before you pick a date. Temples. Indonesia is home to the largest Buddhist temple in the entire world, Borobudur, which you can find just outside of Yogyakarta. Located in Java, this stunning monument dates back to the 9th century. Even if you aren't religious, the architecture is stunning and has been known to leave many visitors speechless. In the same trip, you can also visit Prambanan, an enormous Hindu temple built over 1,000 years ago and dedicated to Shiva, as well as other temples for Vishnu and Brahma. Across the rest of Indonesia, you'll find many more temples, Hindu and Buddhist alike, all celebrating the country's religious diversity. Sumatra. Whereas some parts of Indonesia have become saturated with tourism, much of Sumatra is still wild and untouched. Its dense jungles aren't always accommodating to tourists, but the difficult conditions are worth it for the chance to see some of the world's most endangered animals, including the incredibly rare Sumatran tiger. You might also run into clouded leopards, orangutans, rhinos, and monkeys. But the scenery alone makes Sumatra a fantastic destination. It's home to Indonesia's largest and prettiest lake, Lake Toba. And if the coasts are more your thing, Sumatra has the country's top surfing spots. Jakarta. The Indonesian capital, Jakarta is a bustling metropolis nestled amidst the jungle. With an enormous population of 10 million people, the city is composed of brightly lit busy streets and enormous skyscrapers. With its prevalence of narrow streets, however, the best way to get around Jakarta is by motorcycle, Indonesia's most popular vehicle. It has lots of shopping opportunities, like Taman Anggrek Mall, as well as some more family-friendly attractions like Ragunan Zoo. For all the excitement of Indonesian wildlife, without having to go off the beaten track, Jakarta has many opportunities. It's also home to Istiqlal Mosque, the largest of its kind in Southeast Asia. Bali. The world's #1 destination for backpackers, Bali has so much to offer that one could stay there for weeks, never even venturing into the rest of the country. Though we recommend a more well-rounded trip, we do get the appeal. Popular simultaneously for its exciting ceremonies, culture, and traditional arts, and for wild parties and hedonism, Bali has everything you need for a memorable vacation. With white beaches and green jungles, what's not to love? Sure, the volcanoes are a little overactive and it tends to get crowded with tourists, but it's a paradise nonetheless. Also, the famous Gili Islands are just a stone's throw away. Dreamy tropical getaways with plenty more diving to be enjoyed. Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other great clips from Mojo Travels, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.
Okay. So, from that video that we watched before, so have you ever traveled to those places? Is there any one of you that want to try? Just like raise hand, guys, okay? So please raise hand buat yang mau practice. So I will call your name of if no one want to raise hand, so I will call random, okay? Jadi please raise hand dulu buat yang mau menjawab dan practice here. If no one, so I will call random ya nanti ya. Tunggu sebentar. Okay, so first there's a Sis Daniati, and after Sis Daniati, and I will talk with Sis Desi Lestari after that ya. Sis Daniati first, bisa di-unmute dulu.
Okay, my name is Desi. I'm from Makassar. The video story about Indonesia, about capital Jakarta, Sumatra, and Java. Java story about temple Borobudur, Prambanan. Sumatra story is animals like tiger, and Jakarta story about 10 million people in Jakarta. Sorry, Miss, if I mistake to explain about the videos. Maybe just that I explain. Thank you.
Okay, so the questions is, have you ever traveled to those picture like the places in the video? Ya, ada nggak kota yang pernah didatangin selain berarti Jakarta ya tadi ya?
Yes, I go to Jakarta, Sumatra, and Java. I have to go. Meeting about my job.
Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, Sis Niati, for sharing. Next, I'll go to Sis Desi. What about you? Like, have you ever traveled to those places? Kira-kira kotanya pernah kemana aja yang dari video yang tadi ya, yang sudah pernah And then what is your memory to go there?
I have traveled to Lake Toba,
Mhm,
and then just like Toba,
mhm.
Lake Toba, and my memory to go Lake Toba is the first time I go to there with my friends by motorcycle from
Oh.
Medan to
Oh.
Lake Toba, Lake
Lake
Toba.
Toba. Okay, wow.
Yeah,
How
Lake
far? How
Toba.
far?
It's over 12 hour maybe 12
No
hour.
way. Really? From the city sampai ke Lake Toba itu 12 jam?
Yes, and
Wow.
then all of sepanjang jalan,
Mhm.
all of so beautiful like lukisan, like
Oh, okay. The
yeah,
view.
the view is like
Okay.
yes,
Breathtaking view.
yeah,
Mhm.
and so many memories
Mhm.
that I have to go Lake Toba with my friends. Always.
Wow. 12 hours from the city to the Lake Toba. Is that really? Wow, that's really far, right? 12 hours?
Yes, 12 hours,
Wow.
and then so apa itu pengalaman yang tak terlupakan in
Oh,
English?
unforgettable
Yeah,
moments.
unforgettable memory. And
Oh,
I want to go back to Lake Toba to remember the memories.
wow, that's really amazing. You are amazing. 12 hours by motorcycle. If me, I will like, okay, so if I already know like it's 12 hours, so stop here, please. I don't
It's
think I
so
can.
fun with our friends, like
Ooh.
singing, eating, and together.
Oh, okay. Amazing,
Okay.
amazing. Okay, that's really good. Thank you so much, Sis Desi.
Thank you, Sis Rahel.
Okay. Okay, so what about Sis Aisyah? Sis Aisyah, are you there?
Ya, halo Kak.
Hello. What about you?
Ya, so I can on cam because I'm sick. Ya.
It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. I ever travel to Borobudur ya, Borobudur.
Oh, Borobudur. Okay.
First time I'm visit Borobudur
Mhm.
bertepatan with holiday anak-anak gitu, holiday.
Oh,
So
holiday, school for holiday. Mhm.
so many people come there ya, come there ya.
Okay, come to
Borobudur.
visited Borobudur. Okay. Mhm.
So we must antri.
Oh, have a long queue.
uh,
And then, do you
antri,
want to go back there?
Yeah, really.
Oh, okay. You still want to go back there?
Yeah, insya Allah.
Okay. Okay, that's really good. Thank you, Sis
Yeah,
Aisyah.
thank you, sis. Thank you.
So wait, we have a lot of topic to talk. Yeah, chill. Wait, sabar. This one. Wait. What about siapa nih yang belum ya? Yang masih angkat tangan sabar ya. Nanti aku panggil tetap ya. Tunggu sebentar. Sis Lisa Trisna. Could you just help me to read this one, Sis Lisa? Okay.
Start from tourist
Yes,
attraction.
start from tourist attractions sampai ke guide. Abisin aja. Soalnya yang lain masih banyak praktisnya.
Okay. Only read the sentence.
Read and then we tell the intro, the meaning if you know.
Okay.
Mhm.
I will start from tourist attraction.
Yes.
Itu tempat wisata.
Yes, good.
And then travel around. Itu jalan-jalan.
Mhm.
Back and forth. Maybe itu
Bolak-balik.
bolak-balik.
Mhm.
Staycation itu menginap.
Ya.
And then explore itu menjelajahi. Hand gift itu oleh-oleh atau buah tangan.
Nice.
Natural.
Nature.
Nature, alam, ada waterfall, itu air terjun, beach, pantai, mountain, itu gunung.
Mountain.
Yes.
Mountain,
And
cara
then
bacanya mountain.
mountain. And then camping, itu berkemah.
Ya.
And then suitcase.
Koper.
Koper. And then destination, tujuan wisata.
Ya.
Zoo, kebun binatang. Sunbed, itu berjemur.
Nice.
Breathtaking view, itu pemandangan yang indah.
Yes.
And then guide is pemandu wisata.
Oke, pemandu ya.
Yes.
Oke, good. Thank you so much, Sis Lisa.
Okay, my pleasure.
Pemandu lagi. Pemandangan yang menakjubkan, mengagumkan, yang indah gitu ya. Pokoknya yang breathtaking view. Mengagumkan. Oke. So first, there is a tourist attractions, tempat wisata, tourist attractions, ada travel around, back and forth, staycations, ada explore, hand gift, nature, such as waterfall, beach, mountain, ada camping, suitcase, destinations, zoo, sunbath, breathtaking view, dan guide. Okay, next, this one. Sis Fema. Do you like traveling when you have a long holiday, Sis Fema? And why?
Yes, we have been traveling a lot actually.
Okay.
Why? Because me and my husband, it's a backpacker.
Oh, nice. Backpacker. So, which places, which country or which cities that you think it's really the most memorable moment for you as a backpacker? Yes.
The backpacker. Recently, we backpacker to around Europe, and like 2 days, one city or one country. So we going bus by bus, and some days we have to sleep in the bus, like from where is that? Netherlands to Munich. We have to take a bus like 8 hours.
Yeah.
We have to stay in the bus. The bus is called Flixbus. Yeah. And then we
So
thankfully
which country?
a lot. Yeah.
So which country that you think it's really the most beautiful that you think?
The most beautiful is Switzerland.
Yeah, it's true.
And
Definitely.
Turkey.
Oh, Turkey.
Yeah.
Cappadocia, that you just visited Cappadocia.
Yeah, I'm visited like 5 years ago, Turkey and Cappadocia.
Okay, so you like it. Which one, if you compare like Switzerland, because Switzerland is more about the nature, about the waterfall, mountain, la 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 la. What about you? Like you think like which one is better if you compare Switzerland with Turkey, for example?
Well, yeah, Switzerland, it's more a beautiful nature, and the Turkey, a beautiful city, and the building and
the architecture.
because and the culture too, because there is what is that? Apa namanya tuh?
Turki itu kayaknya lebih kayak Muslim history gitu ya nggak sih?
Yes, Muslim
Ya kan?
history. Yeah, Muslim history. There is there's a museum. Yeah, museum of Nabi Muhammad. There is his clothes, his sandals, his like his beard. There is they put in Topkapi Palace.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Thank you so much, Sis Fema, for sharing.
Thank you.
Okay, what about Bro Eka? Bro Eka Pratama.
Yeah,
Okay, so my questions for you is, do you like traveling when you have a long holiday? And then what place do you want to visit for the next trip if you have a time?
okay. Actually, I prefer like traveling not like in a holiday period because sometimes it's really overcrowded if
Mm-hmm.
we go to some places in a holiday period. So
Mhm.
if I have like a time like to choose like for holiday, I would choose like not like in a holiday period, I think.
Oh, so it's in low season. You prefer in low
Yeah,
season. Ah,
yeah, I prefer
okay.
low season.
So if you can go, so what kind of place that you want to visit for next for next trip?
Interesting. If I have like enough money, I think maybe some countries in Africa
Oh,
I would love to
Africa.
visit. Yeah, because
Mm.
it's kind of like so different places than in our country. So we can go. I can go safari and explore
Yeah.
like wildlife there. So it would be very interesting for me.
Oh, wow. Oh, so you attracted about safari, something like that?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, interesting. Wow, jarang ya ada orang dengar maunya safari gitu kan.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think it's not my cup of tea karena kayaknya hidup saya
Yeah.
udah cukup
We have
wild ya. Jadi
yeah.
mulai
We have different tastes.
ya, definitely. Okay, thank you
Yeah.
mereka.
Yeah,
Ada nggak di
pleasure.
sini yang dari 61 participants? Is there any one of you that really want to visit India? Ada nggak pengen ke India? Penasaran?
No,
Tidak?
thank you. No.
Ya agak rasis ya kalau ngomong kayak gini nih ya, nanti ya jatuhnya
Oh,
ya.
India, if in some places, I think it's gonna be it sounds really amazing place
Ya
like
mungkin kalau buat cowok ya
maybe like
kayaknya agak
yeah
nggak
like
apa kali ya.
like Kashmir or like
Ya sebenarnya
around
banyak kok
like
kota-kotanya
yeah
yang bagus-bagus tuh sebenarnya banyak yang juga sebenarnya juga friendly for
yeah
tourist tapi
for
yang di-update
tourists
itu mungkin yang daerah-daerah yang kayak
yeah
gitu-gitu ya. Jadi rada-rada
it
gimana.
just like a media view.
Ya, kalau sana kayak mungkin kalau kayak di apa tuh ya namanya kayak di Mumbai gitu-gitu,
Ya,
pokoknya masih
Vrindavan.
safe. Oh enggak. Itu enggak. Saya dikasih gratis juga kayaknya nggak mau gue. Kayaknya enggak sih. Enggak. Oke, ada nggak? Tapi ada nggak? Nggak serius nih ya. Ini it's a really serious question. Ada nggak di sini yang pengen ke India gitu? Penasaran pengen ke India? Nggak ada? Ih, kalian bisa jadi artis loh di sana ya kan, diajakin foto-foto loh. Sis Lady, you don't wanna go to India?
Takutnya kalau udah ntar kita nyanyi.
Siapa sih tuh yang ngomong? Bro Albert.
Ever go India?
Oh, you went there. Oh, kamu pernah kunjungin visited
No,
India?
before I visit India because not to traveling, because to work for work.
Oh, because for work. Itu lebih kayak nggak ada pilihan sebenarnya ya. Jadi tapi is that good? Is that pretty?
Yeah, good.
Oh, okay. Too good, guys. Yuk, Sis Lady, siapa?
Indian is good.
Underestimate.
Friendly.
Okay.
Yes, Indian people is friendly.
Oke. Enggak, tapi gue tetap nggak mau. Enggak, kayaknya gue tetap enggak. Jawabannya nggak tahu ya, tapi saya tetap enggak kayaknya. Oke. Kenapa? Coba. Kalau Sis Fema tadi langsung enggak, pokoknya nggak mau gitu ya. Kenapa? Coba kenapa? You tell me why, Sis Fema.
I don't know. Maybe because yes, the media, the news in the media, it's so negative about India. Yeah, the person and the government too. They are really racist, especially to like we hear about how they treat Muslims there. You know,
Oh,
they are so,
really?
yeah, they are so
Oh,
racist.
okay.
That's why that's why I think I don't want to go there. And
Oh.
I think the country it's too, what is that? Crowded. Yeah.
Ya, ya benar. Kalau sana
Mm.
dilihat-lihat ya, kalau dilihat-lihat memang kayaknya rada
Mm.
crowded gitu. Ya,
You know,
but ya, but it's true. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, jadi you don't want, you never want to, if for
I
example,
know.
because you're traveling a lot, and then
Yeah.
if you have to choose like the last country that you have to visit, ya, yang terakhir, pokoknya udahlah pilihan terakhir. Kira-kira
Mhm.
kemana tuh negaranya?
Terakhir.
Ya, udah nggak ada pilihan lagi, udah pokoknya itu bakal jadi negara terakhir yang akan kamu kunjungi,
The
Tane.
last it's China.
China.
But there's a lot of beautiful places in China anyway. So di
Mungkin
mana
cuma
ya?
karena kesulitan cari makannya kali ya, lebih ke sana kali ya kalau China.
Tapi China, I've been to China, to Guangzhou, and then it's a beautiful country.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so thank you. Berarti nggak ada ya? Oke.
Ada jelas apa ya?
Kayaknya kalau gue it will be kayaknya sih I can tell it will be India sih. It will be the last one.
Last.
I think sih. Okay, guys, so this is the topic that you have to talk in the breakout room. And then the first question is, do you like, mana salah bukan ini dia. Okay, so you prefer to go into the natural destinations or modern destinations to spend your holiday? That's the first question, okay? Kamu lebih memilih untuk pergi ke destinationsnya yang lebih kayak ke alam-alam atau lebih ke modern destinations to spend your holiday? Dan kenapa kamu lebih milih itu? Kedua, have you ever did nothing on your holiday time? Pernah nggak kamu kalau lagi liburan tuh nggak ngapa-ngapain, bener-bener leyeh-leyeh, cuman lenje-lenje aja di kasur, contohnya, atau bener-bener nggak ngapa-ngapain deh gitu ya. Dan kenapa? And then the third one is, do you like spending your holiday with your family or friends? You prefer to go spending your family sama sama keluarga atau sama teman? Dan the last one is, have you ever traveled and spend your holiday in another countries? If yes, where? Dan kalau belum, pengennya kemana? Okay, that's the questions, the topic for today from the for breakout room. Jelas ya semuanya? Seperti beberapa kemarin kelompok aku lihat udah bagus, mereka bisa saling gantian gitu ya. Jadi Sis Fema contohnya nanti nanya, Sis Fema nanya ke siapa? Sis Lady. Nanti Sis Lady nanya ke siapa? Disebutin aja nama orangnya. Tapi masih ada beberapa yang cuma satu jadi moderator, dia yang bolak-balik nanyain orang, tapi nggak ada yang nanyain dia ya, kasihan banget ya. Jadi gantian aja guys ya. Jadi gantian biar jangan cuma satu yang kerja seperti itu ya. Okay. Wait, I will divide it you 6, 7. Let's go.